I had no idea the impact that I was making just from creating TikToks in my bedroom. Like, it's pretty crazy to think about. But this one day, this lady reached out and she said that she had just purchased her first apartment, and it was because she saw my TikTok.
$22,270. That's how much missing the best 10 market days could have cost you in the past 15 years. That's how much missing the best 10 market days could have cost you in returns over.
There's this stereotype that young people don't care about finances and they don't care about money, and all they care about is having fun and watching TikTok dances. But I don't think that that's true. I think that, old financial advice models and people that talk about finances, they weren't delivering in a way that young people understood, and that's why I wanted to try TikTok out.